According to the World Economic Forum, in 2025, over 40% of companies have reported that they're using AI to replace jobs. The number's going up fast, and we're just in the beginning. But a job like this job is here to stay. If you want to learn the top 7 reasons why you should become an EMT in 2026, stay tuned to this video. I got you. Check it out. Reason number 1, EMTs are AI proof. Yes, AI can read spreadsheets. Yes, AI can help you write an essay. But AI cannot go to somebody's living room and save them from an overdose that can cause their death. It cannot think on the fly. Artificial intelligence is great. I use it all the time. But I dare to say emotional intelligence trumps artificial intelligence. It cannot make split-second life-saving decisions for a patient that's in their house in the worst moment of their life. Reason number 2, blue-collar careers are back. If you're anything like me, you heard, go get a college degree, go get student loan debt, so then that way you can use it to live the American dream. But skilled blue-collar work is actually on the rise, as those people that have the college degrees are being phased out by the artificial intelligence that's replacing them. When you use your hands to work, when you're purpose driven and you're not worried about being boots on the ground and being able to help people on a one-to-one basis, you're actually more necessary than the person who just wants to sit behind the computer all day long. AI is replacing them. We are respected, we're in demand, and we're essential. Reason number 3, there's fast entry with no massive debt. Most EMT programs last from 6 weeks to 12 weeks. In just 3 months, you'll be able to start working without having to be in class still, without having to pay all that debt. You don't need 4 years of schooling or 6-figure loans to be able to secure your place and get your foot in the door in the healthcare industry. This is actually one of the most affordable and fastest way for you to start a healthcare career. Stay tuned to the end because I'm going to give you a bonus reason that no one thinks about, and it was a total game changer for me. Reason number 4, job stability and essential worker benefits. The fact of the matter is, we're not the highest paid first responders out here, but we definitely have the highest level of security. People are always calling 911. People are always going to need an ambulance. The way the healthcare system is and the way the American health in general is, there's always going to be a need to be transported via ambulance to the nearest hospital. We're always in need. During the recession, I made way more money than my friends. During the pandemic, I was able to clock in and make money and put food on the table for my family. And every single time I come into EMS, as long as my certification is in place and my license is clean, it receives me with open arms. And it comes with perks, because if you end up working for a fire department, if you end up working for a hospital, you'll have pensions. You have overtime, you have benefits, you have protection during tough economic times. You'll have unions protecting you as well. Reason number 5, you'll be able to make a real impact in people's lives. You go home knowing that you actually made a difference in somebody's life. Whether that particular day you did CPR and you brought their pulse back and you were able to help them live another day, or maybe you just helped the old lady that fell out of her bed and she wants help to get back into her bed. Either way, you feel honorable about the job you're doing because you're helping a fellow human being. The work that we do matters. And if you're one of those people who says they like to help people, this is a great way for you to go ahead and do just that. Reason number 6, there's no 2 days that are the same. Every single call is different. Every patient, every scene, every outcome is dynamic. One shift you're dealing with trauma. The next shift, you're delivering a baby. The next shift, you're taking the old lady to the nursing home. If you hate jobs that are boring, if you hate being indoors, if you like to be outside and be doing dynamic things and walking and enjoying the weather, this career will keep you on your toes. Reason number 7, it's a launch pad for bigger careers. Like I said, this is one of the fastest, most affordable ways to enter the healthcare industry, which opens the door to you becoming a paramedic and potentially doubling your pay, to you becoming a nurse or a doctor or PA, or becoming a respiratory therapist or becoming a firefighter. It's a gateway career. You know how like marijuana is the gateway drug? Becoming an EMT is the gateway career into healthcare. The foundation you build as an EMT will carry you all throughout your career in healthcare. If you're looking for a career that's stable, meaningful, and future proof, becoming an EMT in 2026 might be the next best move for you. Here are 3 things you can do right now to get the ball rolling and start getting momentum on your side. Number 1, check out which is the EMT program closest to where you reside. Number 2, when you see an EMT, when you see a paramedic, say hello, start a conversation, ask them about how they feel about their job. Number 3, in the comment section, what is the reason why you're considering this profession? All right, my people, I'm going to be reading your comments. The bonus reason why in 2026 you should become an EMT is that you'll be a member of service. Members of service, MOS, is a term used in New York City for firefighters, for police officers, and EMS. It's like a brotherhood. It's like a sisterhood, similar to the military, but we do it in the local communities where we're public servants and we look out for each other. There's a lot of camaraderie amongst first responders. And that, to me, is very, very, it was a total game changer for me to be able to share this purpose, share this calling with other people that are like-minded, with other people that are part of the community. So if this video helped you, go ahead, click the description. I have resources available for you. Go ahead and click the link. Share this video with somebody who you think will benefit. And I'm going to go ahead and add videos at the end screen so that they're related to this topic and they'll be able to help you too. All right, my people, I hope this helps. And maybe you'll be my partner one day. Hopefully. Peace.